What is up, my sexy McMuffins? Tyson Dela Cruz here. Thank you so much for rocking with me. Tucked away off of Industrial Road, just behind the Las Vegas Strip, in a tiny dark bar, the Hard Hat Lounge, is Gorilla Pizza. Although it's in the shadow of downtown Las Vegas, don't let the size or location fool you. This spot is cooking up some of the realest, most authentic, deep dish Detroit style pizza. This is Gorilla Pizza. I'm Tyson Dela Cruz. Welcome to Tea Time. Pizza Poppy Robbie Cunningham opened up this pizza joint in October 2020 and since has become a Las Vegas staple. These aren't your granny's pies. These are deep dish. I'm talking about balls deep dish Detroit style pizza. Let's go. Holy smokes. Super cool. What's up, man? How are you? Dude, it's a pleasure to meet you, man. Guys, this is Robbie Cunningham, owner and operator of Gorilla Pizza. Brother, thank you so much for allowing us to come in and try your joint out, man.
Yeah,
dude,
thanks for coming through.
Yeah, absolutely, man. All right, so what do you recommend here?
So we do build your own pizzas. We strictly do Detroit style deep dish. They're 8 by 10 pizzas. You get one size. You get 4 slices. So basically, you choose your cheese, whether you want regular cheese. We do a 3-cheese blend of Monterey Jack, Munster, and mozzarella. Okay. We also do vegan cheese from Follow Your Heart. And you basically select whatever toppings you want. So we got pepperoni. We do cup and char pepperoni, house-made Hungarian sausage. We also do a vegan version of that, which is pure fire. And then the rest of it's just whatever veggies you like.
Sweet, man. I'm stoked. I'm down to try this sausage. And then I heard something about some spicy honey dessert here.
Mike's Hot Honey?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, what's that about?
So they're out of Brooklyn.
Okay.
Got a little bottle right here.
Oh, sweet.
They do basically chili infused honey. And it goes delicious with like any like pepperoni, sausage, pizza. Can't go wrong, bro.
Sweet, sweet. Yeah, let's try, it was like these cinnamon things going on, right?
The hot churro bread?
Yeah, let's try that too.
You want to do that?
So let's do the sausage and the hot churro bread.
So go ahead and circle whatever you're feeling.
Okay.
Write your name at the bottom and we will take care of you.
What's the
hot churro bread?
Oh, sweet.
We got the hot cinnamon sugar bread.
All right, sweet, man.
Let's go.
Sweet,
all right,
bro.
and we'll get the Mike's Hot Honey.
Oh, sweet.
Beautiful.
Look at that cheese, man.
Yeah, bro.
What kind of cheese is that?
So we got Monterey Jack, Munster, and mozzarella.
What a combo. Monterey Jack, Munster, because Munster's like a little tang,
yeah,
right?
They got a little, yeah, so they all have a little tang to them. You get a lot of salt from the mozzarella. You get a lot of the creaminess and from the Munster. Munster's my favorite cheese. And then Monterey Jack gives it that that sharpness that you want from like Wisconsin brick cheese, which is traditionally used in a Detroit style.
Okay.
But we're gonna put the cheese on top just like that.
The sauce.
We're gonna get 2 stripes of sauce.
I always say the sauce is the boss, man.
Sauce is the boss. Dude, wait till you have this sauce too, man.
So this sauce, where you make the sauce?
All made in house, yeah. All my own recipes. Yeah,
that's super cool.
Yeah,
man.
so we blend up the tomatoes and then we do our own seasoning blend.
Okay.
We make our dough fresh in house, and then our sausage is also fresh in house.
Do you have any culinary background at all besides this?
Yeah, I mean, I've been in food pretty much my whole life. I started off as a dishwasher when I was 13 at like a Coney Island back home. And those are like 24-hour diners that do hot dogs and burgers and everything in between.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just kind of like self-taught. I've always loved cooking at home. And the pizza thing is new, but I had experience with like fermenting food and that. And I basically gave dough a shot and it came out on my 3rd try.
So you make this dough, You make it yourself?
I make it myself, yeah.
It's freaking awesome, man. Because
Yes,
the
sir.
dough, I think, is probably the most difficult thing to get right when you're making pizzas, right?
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. The fermentation process is something you kind of have to have a little bit of an understanding with, working with yeast. But the fun thing about yeast is that it does its own thing. You just let it do its own thing, and I don't know. Gets us this delicious product. So
Sweet.
we'll throw this in the oven for about 10 minutes.
Okay.
And then when it comes out, we're gonna get some hot honey on there, and let's go.
Cool. How did you end up here at the Hard Hat Lounge? This is such a cool, nostalgic kind of lounge too. It's super dark.
Yeah.
Super tiny.
And it's like the perfect little spot for our shop too.
Yeah.
So I started about 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago now, doing pizzas out of my house. I got a pan off of Amazon, started experimenting at home, but I would share it on my personal Instagram.
Yeah.
And I was bartending at the time at Artifice.
Okay.
So they didn't have food there. So I would basically just kind of post on there. I'd have people like, yo, will you bring a pizza in? So I started buying pizza boxes. I was like, sure, I'll make a couple pizzas before I go in.
Yeah.
And I kind of wanted people's like input on it too, just to see what they thought, because I was pretty stoked on it. So as I started bringing more pizzas to work, it kind of became like this thing where I was like, I'd come into work with like 5 pizzas and I'd already have people there like claiming them, So I started an Instagram and I called it Free Pizza DTLV. And
Free Pizza DTLV.
Free Pizza DTLV.
Okay.
Yep, and I live over on 6th Street.
Okay, so downtown
yeah,
Las Vegas.
Yeah, but yeah, so I had the pizza trap going for a bit, and that's when Hard Hat hit me up.
Pizza trap.
The pizza trap, bro. The Hard Hat hit me up, and it was just great. Shannon was general manager, and she hit me up and was like, "Hey, we heard you have a great pizza, and we have a spot in our kitchen. Like, we'd love to have you come down." And I was like, "All of my prayers are being answered right now, bro."
How rad is that, man?
It was rad. And it was perfect because I was on a beach on the coast of California too.
Wow.
It was just like this weird like
symbiotic
universe.
Yes. Making everything kind of fall in alignment kind of thing.
100%.
Yeah, that's super cool, man. Yeah, a lot of struggles and things happened during the pandemic.
Yeah.
Yet so many people flourished and cultivated new businesses and experiences that they wouldn't even imagine.
Yeah.
Like, did you ever think that you'd be in a bar making pizzas?
No, I didn't. I really didn't, like 4 years ago.
The sausages, man. What's special about the sausage?
So the sausage is my grandmother's hot Hungarian sausage recipe. So for the holidays, she would always make, a bunch of sausage. Detroit has a huge Polish and Hungarian population. Del Rey, Michigan, which is, it used to be Blooming. They called it was a little Hungary.
So there's 2 different styles of deep dish pizza, right? Like there's the Chicago.
Yeah, there's the Chicago deep dish.
And then there's the Detroit
deep dish.
What's the difference between the Chicago and Detroit?
So, good question. Chicago is gonna be like a pie, like a big pie, and it's got the dough. They use like cornmeal traditionally to line the pan. It's a different pan, but it's very deep dish, and it's just loaded with cheese and toppings, and then it gets usually another layer of dough on top, and bakes like a pie, and then sauce is put on top with some like Parmesan. It's just like a whole ass meal. You might get like 6 to 8 slices, but one person can eat 1 slice. Detroit style deep dish is a Sicilian style. Traditionally, it was made by Gus Guerra. Out of the Detroit area. It was his grandmother's recipe. He and his grandmother developed it, I believe, but they would take pans from the auto.
This is done.
I want to burn this beautiful.
Whoa.
Can you hold it here?
Yes, sir. I've done this a few times. I figured out my rotation.
All right, let's do it.
Wow. Look at that sizzle.
Yeah, bro. So going back to what we were talking about, he would get these pans they were leftover pans from the auto industry that they would collect parts in. So he would use his grandmother's Sicilian dough recipe, just like how we have stretched back there, and proof a dough in it that was oiled, and then bring the cheese all the way to the edge so you get this perfect, now we call it little mascara. It's got a little eyeliner there.
Wow.
And that's how you know you got a solid pizza. We got to see how we have that little black line.
Yeah.
I love that. And here was a little heavier on the cheese, so it's gonna bubble there a little bit, but we kind of come in here, I hold the pan a little bit, come in here and break it off the pan.
Wow, this is crispy, bro.
Dude.
Crisp City.
Hold on to your butt, buddy. You're in for a ride. A healthy glaze.
Wow.
Got a sausage hot honey pizza.
What is up, guys? Today's video sponsor is Moises Alvarez at Good Times Barbershop, located on East Sahara. If you're looking for a hot cut, looking for a fresh fade, or maybe get your beard right, go ahead and check out Good Times Barbershop. So what's the play moving forward with the business?
So I really want to expand our delivery. We use Loco right now, which is if you're not familiar, it's a locally owned co-op of restaurants that just do delivery instead of Uber Eats. Instead of giving more money to Silicon Valley, it's kind of staying within the community, which is cool. So we want to stick with that platform, but we want to expand our reach. So we're hoping to open up some more ghost kitchens in the future to expand our reach. We're going to be the only location in Las Vegas for you to be able to come in and dine in, and I kind of want to keep that true. I want to go to other cities, maybe have 1 or 2 shops, but then you can get delivery everywhere.
Yeah.
So I think ghost kitchens are the future for sure.
I was
whipping it up.
Not a problem.
So we're gonna we just perforate the dough. Gonna hit it with just a little bit of our oil. Then we're gonna hit it. Just keeping it simple, stupid baby.
Kiss, man. Keep it simple.
Keep it simple. Just gonna hit it with some cinnamon sugar.
Cinnamon. While that's cooking, you think this is good?
Oh, absolutely. That's perfect.
All right.
Yeah, and I would
try this
actually.
Ooh,
There you go. That's gonna be a saucy slice. Just a heads up.
Pick up slow.
Whew, let's go.
I think this is gonna burn the shit out of my mouth. Let's check it out.
I think
it'd be worth it.
I think you'll be okay.
Yo,
Set a timer for
the dough
4 minutes.
it's thick, but it's super fluffy, and as soon as you bite into it, it just like crimps down like that. The fennel sausage, the Hungarian fennel sausage, amazing, man. Really reminds me of that rustic flavoring of Hungarian Eastern European food. The honey on it, it's very subtle. It just adds a little bit of a sweetness on top of the spice from the sausage. The crust is super crispy, very nostalgic of Pizza Hut pizza. Better, way better. And it's cheesy, bro. Look at this, man. That good quality pizza is, man, this is good. I'm excited for this corner.
Let's go.
The corner crushes it.
Let's go. Every slice is a corner slice, man. That's how we roll.
Man,
That's why we only do the one size, because everyone deserves a corner. You know?
you hear that? Everybody deserves
Everybody
a corner.
deserves a corner.
It's super fire, bro.
Thanks, man.
Like-
I appreciate that.
Like, for being such a tight spot, having such a good quality product, it's super fire,
Yeah.
bro. Like,
Oh yeah, and
I'm sure the people here love it. After they're down a couple drinks, bro, they're getting pizza
sure.
all day, man.
the whole Las Vegas is the whole reason I have a business. Like, the community is the whole reason I'm here. From the Instagram, from just sharing my stuff and getting my stuff and putting us out there like that, and then helping us with the oven. It's just, I owe my life to the city, and I don't mind that. I love it.
That's
I love
super
this
cool,
city
man.
so much. Like,
Yeah.
moving here is the greatest thing I ever did in my life.
That's super cool, man.
Yeah.
That just shows like building community when you're creating any type of business, super, super imperative.
Yeah.
Because the community is really going to be that backbone
They're
to
gonna
help
be
you
the
be
ones-
successful.
Exactly. They're the ones who have your back when no one else is, and that's why you got to treat them right, you know?
Yep.
Just gonna drizzle that hot honey on there like we did that pizza.
Wow. Holy smokes. A little bit more Mike's hot on here.
Let's go.
Let me just, I'm gonna hit this.
Smash it up.
Wow. This is good honey, man.
I can load things in for you too if you need.
So good.
Who's been waiting the longest? Those two?
Robbie, man, thank you so much for allowing us in the kitchen. This freaking dessert's absolutely amazing. The deep dish style pizza's freaking awesome.
Thanks,
Love
man.
the ghost kitchen concept, brother. Really appreciate you.
Absolutely.
This is Gorilla Pizza, located inside Hard Hat Lounge. Tell them where they can find you at.
We're 1675 South Industrial Road. We are inside the Hard Hat Lounge, 24-hour gaming bar. We're open 12 to 12 every day, till 1 a.m. on Fridays and Saturdays. Come through. One of us will take care of you.
You got to check them out on Instagram too. Guys, I'm going to keep grubbing. This is Tyson Dela Cruz. Thanks for rocking with me. See you when I see you. Hey, what's up? If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out other videos just like this one.